And ma'am, how do you explain the seeming obsession with death? Parang starting from the president and then now it's creeping, obviously, especially among house leaders, di ba? Na parang always the solution, top of mind, is death to our problems.
Well, I cannot understand why the administration is enamored with retrogressive measures like the death penalty as well as the reduction of the age of juvenile culpability. And also trying to pursue a violent and deadly campaign against the drug menace when the experience of other countries like Thailand, the United States, and Colombia would show that violence against the drug menace is not successful. It is not the solution to drug trafficking and drug abuse.
That's a very interesting question. Bakit nga ba parang may obsession sa kamatayan? From death penalty to itong terribleng phenomenon ng extrajudicial killings. Parang nagmumukhang may some kind of necrophilia going on na. Baka yun din ay paliwanag kung bakit lumabas yung terribleng comment nung nakaraang panahon tungkol dun sa ginahasa at pinatay na Australian missionary. And dapat sana ang mood ng governance natin ay mas positive, mas life-giving, mas edifying. Kasi sa dami ng problema nating mga Pilipino, we want that kind of unifying leadership, lalo na mula sa ating top elected official. Gusto natin less divisiveness, mas inspiration, mas mga positive alternatives at solusyon sa ating mga problema.